What up YouTube, Jade up here, and we're back with another video, and I have my favorite helper with me today. My younger brother. Another beer! Another beer! So today we are actually doing some preventative maintenance on this vehicle. So I just recently learned about this within the last couple of months. Basically, it's the steering column lock problem with these cars. For whatever reason, for no apparent reason, whatever, the steering column can lock and it won't unlock, and it's a pain in the butt. So what everybody has recommended is buying the LCM5, and that pretty much eliminates this issue ever happening, because it can happen at any time, and apparently it always happens when it's the most inconvenient. So this is basically what I got. I got it on Amazon. It wasn't crazy expensive, but it comes with this here, which helps you repin. And accordingly, these are the tools you'll need. And these are the steps you take. So first step is disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Second step is removing your floor mat. Third step is removing the kick panel. And then you have access to your control module underneath. So we're going to remove the BCM, which is not much more difficult than what, Colton? The tab on the bottom and pulling down?
Yeah, just be careful on the top here. You don't want to break anything.
All right, after you get it out of there, you're going to unhook the electrical connectors on the side. Be careful, they're old. The machines are probably a little brittle. All right, guys, we got this out. So just be careful, but you're going to have to play with that big one, apparently. And that's the other thing, too. So they got these little loops on the end that when it comes out. Okay, so now we're trying to get the steering column relay out. And this is kind of the scene right now. Getting the green tab apparently is not hard to get out, but the this guy. You'll know because of the wires going into it. The instructions point out 2 orange, white, green, and I believe purple. But you want to pull that relay out, disconnect it. But it's kind of a pain. What we thought was easiest was to actually get it off the bracket to pull that out, because that is a snug fit. Finally. All right, and that is your steering column relay. Hey, made in Canada. Well, we put it in there pretty tight there, eh? Okay, guys, so this part here, there was no way to get a camera in here to show what was going on. Basically, what we had to do was we had to hook up the LMC5 wiring. The green one went on the far end here, as you can see. These 3 went down in here, and the instructions do this way better than we could even say, just basically showing you how about going about it. And it was really easy. So that is where we are at now. Instructions say the brown wire just stays capped for now instead of for a future procedure, which they can talk about later, I guess. I don't know, but that's basically what you're doing with this. Now we're going to plug these back into the BCM, the body control module, make sure they're firmly seated, and then I believe we actually attach that back to the firewall. Okay, guys, it is back, hooked back in there, good and seated correctly. Now, the directions are going to say place the BCM against the body in its appropriate mounting location. Position the LMC5 along the wiring harness, ensuring no wires are twisted or snagged. Okay, guys, so basically we just finished up here. that works. Everything does. We just tested it. You put your caps that come with the LCM5 on the old wires. Tuck them up underneath here so they're not in your way. Something simple, like, I don't know, down here or something. Doesn't matter. Just so they're not in your way anywhere. You're gonna put the screw in the bottom there. Make sure this is secured. Zip tie everything up nicely in place, and then put your kick panel back on. And that's really it, guys. Now this is kind of more of an overview video. I'm not even joking when I tell you this came with some of the best instructions I think I've ever had for a, you know, mod or whatever. But this was preventative maintenance. There's another really good YouTube video on here showing you a little bit more detail, but if you follow the instructions, I promise you, not that difficult. I'd say maybe, what, an hour? Yeah. An hour, you know, if you got, just make sure you got the right tools and you double check everything, follow the instructions to the T, you'll be fine. So anyway.
And don't have a bad back.
And don't have a bad back. There isn't a lot of room to work with in there. That's probably the worst part. But anyway, guys, like I said, this is double check. Make sure you check your instructions. Now, something else to note real quick. If your steering wheel is already locked, you have to get the locker from these guys, not just the LCM5. So mine was never locked. I never once got the message, but that was the whole point of this installation. I didn't even want to think about it being an issue. So yeah, that is, that was the whole point of this. So it worked. Seems to be working good. Everything else seems to be looking good on the car so far. So we're gonna call this done. And like I said, if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't. I try to get back to all the comments that I can. Maybe I left something out. Maybe you guys want to say hi. Maybe you want to just say something else entirely. I don't know, but leave a comment down below. I try to get back to everybody in the comments I can. Until next video,